your goal for the relay?
$107,000 and 75 teams participating. We are at 87 teams right now, and we're probably about $40,000.
How is this going to be accomplished? The walkers going to do what?
Walkers have the opportunity to raise money as they walk around the track. There are different vendors that have items for sale. All of that money goes back to the ACS for the Relay for Life. So there's lots of different campsites that they can do things at.
Okay, how long is this going to run?
We'll be running tomorrow till about 9:30, 10 a.m.
My next question is, how many survivors was invited?
I want to say approximately about 450, and we hope to have at least half of that, about maybe 200. We'd like to have all 400, but approximately maybe 200 might show up.
Okay, what brought you out to the relay today?
I came for the Cancer Society. I'm a cancer survivor, and I came for that reason, and I came to walk.
How long have you lived with cancer, or how long has it been since you've beaten cancer?
4 years in September.
Okay, and you're going to be here all day?
Well, until I get tired.
Okay. Is this your first relay?
No, sir, I came 2 or 3 other times. Last year I didn't come.
Walking! We are underway, ladies and gentlemen. Go, boys. Girls, go. There you go. What a handsome dog this is!